One of my favorite things, and I know yours too, is to eat ribs.
Yes.
When they just fall off the bone,
Oh, it's magic.
there's nothing better. You know what they call me?
What's that?
Pitmaster.
All right, pitmaster.
Yeah.
Where's my ribs?
They call me the pitmaster. Oh, I'm gonna get you ribs. We slow and low cooked our ribs. Oh yeah.
Oh.
You see that low temperature cooking over longer periods of time just makes it happy.
Look at that beautiful crown.
You could eat it, you can wear it. There's more because you know what?
Oh, chef.
You see that bubbling?
Yep.
Why don't we take some of that?
Are you serious?
Yeah, and why don't we just go right inside the crown?
Get out of town.
No, we're going right inside the crown.
Oh.
Right inside the crown.
Is there one more?
Oh,
Gee.
baby, right inside the crown, nice
You
and
gotta
hot.
be kidding me.
No, no. Oh, no. No, jeez.
I believe this is the best thing that I've ever seen happen.
Yeah, but wait. Then what you do is you take some of these fried onions
Oh, stop
and you
it.
just kind of make a little pile like that. And then you come with your barbecue sauce and you just kind of...
Okay, you know what? That is ridiculous. Don't get me a birthday cake.
No.
I want a crown of ribs for my birthday. That's what I want.
Now I'm just gonna put that there and then I'm gonna mechanize you.
Mechanize me. Perfect. What am I doing with this fork?
Don't, use your hands.
So good.
Hey folks, it doesn't get any better than this.